Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card slot, which is located here. So what you have to do is to just insert this tool inside the hole on the slot. The slot will come out, and here you have to put your SIM card and then put it into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.